Good morning, Bali. Now I'm so excited. We're gonna make a medium trekking. We're gonna chasing all the waterfall here around. Well, I'm a bulalain actually. I forget where I am. Around 6 waterfalls, and let's go. Our guide is already there with the leopard. Oke, terima kasih sayang. So here is the Sambangan Village. The different trek, short trekking. It takes 1.5 to 2 hours. Natural water sport, and you have a long trekking and medium trekking. And today we're gonna take a medium trekking. And first we register, and then here how it is.
Yeah.
We're gonna go with a motorbike luxury. So we go maybe for a medium trekking, like they take you with a motorbike. I don't know where to the starting point. And then when it's a long trekking, maybe you have to walk from down there. Wow, look at this beautiful stunning view. Oh my god.
Tunggu start di sini.
This is the starting point. Selamat pagi. Halo. Halo, selamat pagi. It's really
juga.
beautiful, stunning view from the restaurant where the starting point is. So at the moment they open on the weekend only. Look at the view.
Yeah.
We start our trekking now. Our guide is in the front. It's Mr. Bob. Say hello.
Yeah.
Yeah, he's a very cool guy.
Yeah.
Wow, you're so big. Here is the Singaraja view. Look at this. This is a real Bali with everywhere is water. Woo! Well, I don't know if you can see, but here is so many plants. There is a passion fruit. Here is the jackfruit, and then here is called porang. I don't know in English, but they use it for cosmetic.
Yeah.
And then they export to China and
Exactly.
yeah, Japan and all the
Ini nelkennya.
country. This is a
Februari
nelken.
start flower.
In February start flowering.
Kemudian harvestnya
Harvest
dari
in
August.
Oh, one of my favorite flowers is called sandat. Smells so good. Look what he have for us is a passion fruits and the rambutan and coconut coming.
Apa?
We make break at the
Ini dong.
local
Jangan ada.
house. Oh my god, king of the fruits. Whoever don't know, this is the king of the fruits. It's called durian. Tastes so good, but sting like a cheese actually, like a gorgonzola. And then now it's the season, and this is one of the best. It's called kadi, local Balinese durian. The cacao. This is
Before you eat the chocolate.
before you eat the chocolate. This is how it looks. I don't know.
And then you trim.
And then you have to chewing this. I'm gonna try. It's like
seed.
yeah. Sour. Doesn't like taste like a chocolate.
Nah.
This is where we arrive, where the local are. And when you take the medium trek, and our first stop is Aling Waterfall. You go the step down, what goes out, down must goes up. I can hear the waterfall and you can see that too. It's so beautiful, it's sunny, and here is called Blue Lagoon, and I'm gonna try to swim.
Yeah.
Now I'm in the Blue Lagoon. There's the rainbow. Next destination after Blue Lagoon is Aling. Oh my god, I didn't expect that we have to cross the river. Is very strong current, but hopefully we are fine. So after I cross the river, we gonna go continue the next waterfall. Beautiful.
Ya, ini juga untuk bawa fokus shot. Di sana ada batu untuk kamu bisa yoga, duduk bersila sambil buka kepala.
Here is Aling Waterfall. We were up there, and behind Aling is a Blue Lagoon, and so powerful. Look at this.
Seksi kali ya.
Yeah, beautiful. This is it. We are in the last waterfall. There behind is twin waterfall. Here the last one, it's called Pucuk Waterfall, where the last waterfall for our trekking today. Last waterfall in Buleleng for us today. It's called Puncak, and we are at the bottom, and we go home, take a shower,